Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Zack D films videos. First, you need a captivating idea. Begin with an intriguing question or a surprising fact that instantly grabs attention. Zack D films excels at exploring unusual topics, making complex subjects easily digestible. Remember, these videos are designed for short-form platforms, so aim for a duration of under 60 seconds to maintain engagement. Next, focus on your script. It's the backbone of your video, delivering facts in an engaging way. Many creators use AI tools, like advanced language models, to help draft their scripts. However, it's crucial to train these tools with examples to capture that distinct, conversational tone. After the script, storyboard your video, planning every visual gag and camera movement for maximum impact. Now, let's bring your vision to life with animation. Most Zack D film-style videos use three-dimensional animation software, with Blender being a popular, free option. You'll create animated characters and often a signature blue grid background. Focus on dynamic camera movements and quick cuts to keep the visuals exciting and to perfectly complement your narration. Finally, polish your video in post-production. A clear voiceover is essential. You can record your own or use advanced AI voices. Select ambient, non-distracting background music and add precise sound effects to emphasize actions. Use editing software like CapCut to sync everything, add auto captions for accessibility, and export your final, high-quality short-form video.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.